are you here?
I'm here. I'm waiting for you.
Don't you love this house?
I love it.
Oh my gosh, is Amanda here?
She's in the kitchen.
Ooh, let's go see her. This house is so awesome. Driving out here is so peaceful. It's so close to town, and yet I feel like I'm in the country. You got 2.24 acres out here. Hey, Amanda! Hey! Oh my gosh, Mr. Blue Eyes! Hey, Mr. Blue Eyes! Hey! Oh, this is my favorite part about selling houses. I get to fall in love with everybody. Hey, what's this?
His coffee.
Oh, Mr. Starbucks. I need some of those. That's so cute. Well, Amanda, we're so glad to be out here. It's so cozy with your fire going. I love it. Tell me about, why'd y'all, we hate that y'all are leaving Macon. I know you don't want to go. We don't want you to go. But I also know you love this house.
I do love this house.
Why did you fall in love with it?
Like you said, the peacefulness, the quiet. I grew up on 10 acres. So this acreage out here was close enough, but still a neighborhood.
Near the Starbucks.
Near the Starbucks.
You gotta have a Starbucks.
It is less than 10 minutes away. I know it by heart.
That's awesome.
They know me.
They know
well.
you. Double what? What do you get? I get a double whatever.
Tall
double cafe.
vanilla latte, only 2 pumps of vanilla.
Only 2 pumps. Well, now, what I love when you asked me to come out here to see your house, I drove in and I'm like, oh my goodness, I felt an immediate peace. And then I walked in the house, and I don't always feel that way, but when I walked in this house, I felt happy. It's bright. It's got this open kitchen, dining room, den. It's just fabulous. And you've got so many bedrooms.
It's basically the entertainment house. We have lots of family, and they all stay, and they all come and play.
Oh, I love it. And y'all have done so much. I know there was an old pool that you filled in. It was yucky, and thank goodness you did.
We painted everything.
And you painted everything. You got a
Brightened
new
it all
deck.
up.
You've got new air conditioning. Price is exactly where somebody wants to be. It is the perfect price. It's great. And, you've got gas too.
Oh, yeah. My husband loves to cook, and that gas top makes him very happy.
Well, I love that you can cook right here. You can have the baby swinging in the swing, the whole family right here. And it's just a real
Otherwise, my
house.
husband would never see anybody because he's always cooking. I married that Italian man,
Ooh, I love it. An Italian kitchen. I'm ready to come get some spaghetti.
Spaghetti and meatballs. Let me tell you, they're good.
Well, I just want to thank you so much for letting me list this. I don't think I'm going to have it long because a smart buyer would grab this thing up in a minute. You've got it priced amazingly, and anyway, we're going to miss you.
I'm going to miss it.
Thank you.